Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to hopefully finish the backfilling of the electrical trench. The backhoe is fixed. We got that cylinder rod eye welded back on, and this will be a good test for it. So the first thing we're going to do is try to backfill as much as we can by hand, like getting the pipe covered. It's like 95 degrees out today, so hopefully we get as much done as we can. That way we can just sit in the backhoe and relax and do the backfilling process. So yeah, let's grab a shovel and get started. Okay, all the hand backfilling is done, and now I just need to sit in the machine and enjoy it and try not to break anything else on the backhoe. So, one thing that I haven't probably mentioned yet is I'm doing all this hand backfilling just to cover the pipe. That way when I go in with the backhoe and scrape both sides of the trench with the wider bucket, I don't have any big rocks land straight on the pipe. It's going to be cushioned and cradled by the dirt I scooped in by hand. So that's why I'm doing it. It's probably overkill, but I'm in really rocky ground and I don't want to wreck it and have to dig it up and splice it and make a whole mess out of the whole thing. So I figured a couple minutes of shovel work saves me quite a bit of time. So yeah, let's go get that backhoe started up. this last couple feet here behind us, we're going to leave that open for the electrical company to come in. They're going to reset this pole up here, and then they'll put the last conduit in so it beats up with the new pole exactly. So my work here is done. I'm so thankful this project is done. The only real hitch we ran into was breaking that hydraulic cylinder. Hopefully the inspector comes tomorrow and signs off on everything, and then the electrical company can come here and pull all the wires. So I'm going to call this project done for now. We'll have to tidy up all of the grading and just clean everything up, make it look nice. But that can happen another time. So I want to thank you guys all for watching to this point in the video. If you want to support us, the best way to do that is just hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you want to support us in a more direct way, the best way right now is just through YouTube channel memberships. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Later.